Hi there everyone, it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Welcome to today's video. Happy May 1st. Oh my word, how did that happen? I turned 41 on Monday. How did that happen? So a new month means a new challenge over on the Action Wobbles fan club group. So if you go join that group, you will and post your project, you'll be entered to win your own set of action wobbles. So the theme for May is flowers, because April showers bring life flowers. So here I am using the Simply Spring odds and ends collection, basically from Doodlebug. So today will be the first card in my zero stamping with this collection. You'll see the rest of the cards on Friday. So, but I am using the odds and ends, the chit chats, and then I have an extra 6x6 paper pad because of the collaboration I did with Mary back at the beginning of April. If you missed that, I will try to link it on the Inslate. So I was trying to decide which flowers I wanted to use for this card. And that's the one thing about this collection is it's full of bugs and flowers and clouds and the sun. It's such, I mean, you guys know how obsessed I am with Doodlebugs. So I absolutely love it. And I love it for this zero stamping series because you can use all of these little chit chats, which are sayings, you know, there's speech bubbles, those kinds of things. And you don't have to worry about stamping. So I think this is a great, great thing to get started if you're brand new to card making. If you just want to try it out, minimal investment, get a paper pad, get these chit chats, get the die cuts. You don't have to worry about stamping. You just got to worry about cutting and gluing. So in the end, I decided on this really cute pickup. Oh my word. I used to want to pick up when I was a kid, like when I was in high school, I wanted a Chevy stepside. I didn't care what color. Back then I there wasn't really purple vehicles, so I didn't even think about a purple pickup, but I would have a purple pickup today. I already have a purple Challenger. Why not have a purple pickup? So I went ahead and brought in a piece of Highland Heather from Stampin' Up, and I cut down a couple of pieces of design, the pattern paper from the 6x6 paper pad. I apologize for leaving all of this mess on my desk. You guys know normally I put them in little bags, but I have been in the middle of trying to get my craft room situated and working on some new storage, etc. So everything is just kind of in disarray. Here I'm bringing in the stitched scallop frames from My Favorite Things. I don't know why I didn't realize this just cuts out a frame. But it did. So I brought in the next to largest circle, stitch circle from Simon Says Stamp to cut out another piece of Highland Heather. I wanted to go ahead and bring in another, a little bit of that purple. As you can see, that color is actually in the floral paper. And the layers are cut down to 4 by 5 1/4, and then I believe that's probably 2 by 5 1/4. That's what I normally do for those, and I ran that through my Gemini. I love my Gemini. I have the regular Gemini, and I love it because I can fit a ton of stamps on it. The whole reason why I invested in a Gemini is because I'm disabled, and it's getting harder for me to, using my Big Shot was basically running it through one time took every ounce of energy from me. So here I'm trying to decide on a sentiment. Initially I thought I was going to do happy birthday or thinking of you, and then the perfect one landed. I don't even know how I found it, but you'll see it in just a minute. So anyway, back to the Gemini. Is it an investment? Here we go. Chin up, Buttercup. Love it. Cheer up, Buttercup. Love it, love it. We always say chins up, Buttercup. That's why you heard me say that. But I thought this was just a perfect sentiment. And you guys know I love orange and purple together. I think they're perfect. So anyway, I love it. Is it an investment? Absolutely. Do you need the Gemini huge one? Maybe not. But like I said, it does hold a ton of dies. Here to do the to adhere the frame, I went ahead and just put it on this backer board, and then I'm going to use my adhesive eraser to remove the adhesive. If you don't have an adhesive eraser, I really suggest that. And then I think it's a Tombow they call it an ink eraser. It's basically a sander to sand off the ink off the cardstock. So anyway, back to the Gemini. I think it's a really good investment. I've sold both of my Big Shots now. And like I said, if you're someone who's disabled or deals with like chronic illness or chronic pain, I would highly suggest looking into it. It works just like a Big Shot. You can also get like a Vagabond. They used to have a Big Shot that was electric, but I don't know if they stopped making it. Like when I was looking, I basically could find the Gemini, and I went with the regular one instead of the Gemini Junior. But I've considered getting the little to go. I think it is, just a little tiny one to run the little die cuts through. But honestly, it's not that big a deal. I have it on the side of my craft room. And again, at some point, you guys will get a tour, I promise. So now that I've got all the paper and stuff adhered, I'm going to add my Action Wobble in this little pickup truck. It's so cute. Oh, my word. Love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. So cute. So if you head over to the Action Wobbles blog, you will see all of the design team members' cards for the month of May. And then I will be on there, I think this coming Monday and the Monday after. I will try to link that down below. I post a couple of times on the Action Wobbles blog. And of course, follow me on Instagram. If you missed it, I posted a planner haul and a giveaway. I'm having a giveaway here and one over on Instagram as well. So yes, so you guys let me know if you would want a dedicated video to crafting while disabled, or maybe some tips and tricks that I've done to kind of help myself along the way. Just let me know. I don't mind. So here I wanted to add in these glitter enamel dots from Stampin' Up! And of course I screwed it up because I didn't place it correctly. So I'm going to bring in a Copic marker. I don't even know what color this is. I just found something that looked like it might be close enough, and I just colored it in. It was just a little bit, and you can kind of see, but it doesn't really stand out. So kind of not really. And again, I didn't add any Wink of Stella. I didn't add any Wink of Stella to this card. I didn't add any Wink of Stella to this card. But I did add a couple of those to the sentiment to act like brides. And there's the Action Wobble. So yeah, thank you so much for joining me, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, make sure you go join the fan club and post your cards so you have your own opportunity to win a set of Action Wobbles. And I'll see you guys on Friday for more cards using the Simply Spring Doodlebug collection. Bye for now.